Disclaimer. This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with either's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and hearts. And have a good time. Doctor, I'm sorry, Mr. Jian. He said that no words came from Jungkook's mouth, but suddenly the nurse shouted, "Nurse, doctor, her heart is beating again," she said, and doctor went to you, and he checked your pulse. He let out a sign, and he went to Jungkook. Doctor, feel yourself lucky, Mr. Jian. It's like she reborn again. I thought she won't survive, indeed. She doesn't want to leave you, I think, he said, and he patted his shoulder, and Jungkook came towards you. Then he sat beside you. Jungkook, I'm sorry, Ryan. Forgive me. Because of me, you're in this position. For a second, I thought that my soul left from my body when doctor said those words. But I'm really thankful to God that He saved you. I can't lose you again, sweetheart, he said, and he intertwined his hand with yours while he is caressing your hand softly. Jungkook, I'm sorry for not wearing the ring. I'm sorry for not letting you to tie the tie. I'm sorry for shouting on you. I'm sorry for forcing you to come with me. I can't even imagine if something would happen to you, he said, and he planted a soft kiss on your hand. Nurse, Mr. Jian, at least I have to treat your bruises now, she said, and Jungkook nodded his head, and he looked at you. Then he left the room. Time skips. You woke up and you felt something on your face, and you came to know that this is oxygen mask. You. So I didn't die? My God. Do you want me to suffer more? You thought to yourself, and the tear left from your eye. You don't even have strength to wipe it. You are looking at the wall which is facing you and lost in your thoughts. Jungkook, Ryan, you are awake? Should I call doctor? He asked, but you did not spare a glance at him, nor you answered him, which made him panic for a second. Jungkook, Ryan, are you alright? You, how are you? You are not hurt, right? You asked, and he shook his head as no. Jungkook, you saved me. You, why didn't I die yet? You said slowly as a whisper, which made his heart skip its beat. Jungkook, what the heck are you speaking? You can't die. You, but I don't want to stay here also. I thought that I'm dead because I saw my Oma and Appa hugging me. And I saw your Oma and your wife. Your wife is really beautiful, Jungkook. She's telling that you are very precious for her, and I told that your husband can never become mine. He is yours, and always yours, you said slowly, and he's feeling guilty by listening to your words because he thinks that he never treated you like his wife. I want to meet my parents. I thought that my hardships will go away when I die, but still I'm alive. Jungkook, please, don't say like that. You have kids. You, kids? You told me that Lily is not my daughter, so I'm just a caretaker, right? You said while looking at him, and he shook his head as no. Jungkook, I never meant it that way. You, it's okay. Forget about that. I'm really tired. I want to sleep. You said, and you closed your eyes, and he also did not say anything. Jungkook called Jihyo, and he told her to stay. Then he went to mansion. Jungkook, Appa, where is Mama? Jungkook, Mama went to Jihyo auntie house. She will stay for some days, so we will enjoy a lot, okay? He said, and Jungkook happily chirped. Then he went to her room, and he saw the room which is filled by his gifts, which are given by him in past. He saw the wedding picture of yours and the sad sigh left from his mouth. Then he opened the cupboard, and his eyes fell on the ties. Jungkook, did she bought them for me? But she never gave it to me. He thought to himself, then suddenly some hundreds of photos fell down, and there is sorry behind every photo of theirs. Jungkook, indeed, you regret a lot for what you did. I can see changes in you, Ryan. He thought, and he took a dress of yours to take it to hospital, and his eyes fell on your diary. He wants to read it, but he thinks that this is not the correct time for it. So he took it and kept it in his room. Jungkook, Appa, thank you for staying here and taking care of kids. Mr. Jeon, I go, don't say thank you to me and take care of Ryan. He suffered a lot, Jungkook. He said, and Jungkook nodded his head, and he made his way to hospital. And Mr. Jeon is staying in the mansion with kids.
ख्वाबी ख्वाबी सी लगती है दुनिया, आंखों में ये क्या भर रहा है। मरने की आदत लगी थी, क्यों जीने को जी कर रहा है। पहले तो बेगानी नगरी में हमको किसी सारा शहर जब मान गया तो लगता है क्यों कोई रूठा न था। सजदे बिछाऊं मैं, ओ गली गली, ओ गली गली, गली गली, जिस शहर च मेरा
धड़कनों में तेरे गीत हैं लिखे हुए, क्या कहूँ कि शर्म से है लब सिले हुए। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाहों में है गुल खिले हुए। ये गिला है आपकी निगाहों का, फूल भी है नरमियाँ तो फासले हुए। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए।
तू है मेरा ये संसार सारा, ये और मेरा प्यार सारा तेरे ही लिए है। तू है ये जग में रूप जैसे, रुत में है तरंग जैसे, तू है तो तू है तो
गगन गगन लहर बनी चांद,
धरा पे जागी ज्योति है, नयन खुदी हुई है कामना।
नहीं नहीं कोई तुझसा ही नहीं।
तू है मेरा ये संसार सारा, ये और मेरा प्यार सारा तेरे ही लिए। चलते चलते किसी डगर में जैसे अचानक मोड़ आता है, यूं ही कोई एक ही पल में सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ा होता है।
तेरा मेरा मन पत्थर घूमे रे,
प्रेम भर दिन मेरे मन की जो समझ मेरे, पास आके भी मौन है तू, ये तो
बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए। तेरी नजदीकियां की खुशी बेहिसाब थी, हिस्से में फासले बदन पे मेरे शहर की तरह उतर रहा है। बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल है, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल है।
दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का, जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का, जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना। अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया तो पिया मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया तो पिया। कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप में ना छाँव। कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाँव। बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, कर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया ओ पिया।
तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है। कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया।
आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा, ऐसे हो पूरा चंद्रमा। ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा, बाकी अंधेरा आसमां। न तेरे संग लागे
अपनी तो दिल का पता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना।
इतना